Fucking Matt Smith.
Do you like 48-hour film festivals?
They're okay.
Their early versions were a little too rushed for my taste. But when the 72-hour Kick-Ass Film Festival launched in Pueblo, Colorado in 2021, I think they really came into their own, rhythmically and artistically. The whole event is geared towards prioritizing the creative process for filmmakers. Line, prop, and characters are given prior to filming, and the extra 24 hours give the films a big boost. It's been compared to the 72-hour shootout, but I think the Kick-Ass Film Festival is the far more wide-ranging, inclusive event for people wanting to make their own film.
Hey Cochran,
Yes, Ryan?
why are the funny pages all over the floor? Do you have a poodle? A golden doodle or something?
No, Ryan.
Is that a raincoat?
Yes, it is! In 2021, Team Deadbird released this to the festival. One shot, one kill. I think it's their undisputed masterpiece. A film so apocalyptic and terrifying that people probably don't pay attention to the underlying themes. But they should, because it's not just about zombies roaming around seeking sustenance from human life forms. It's about the power friendship has when combating grief in the midst of total chaos. Hey, Ryan! Ah! Try getting a spot at the Cane Film Festival now, you fucking stupid bastard! Ah! Fucking stupid bastard! Ah! I have to go return some videotapes. You better be registered by the time I get back.